selling you any course or any sessions. I'm just here to give you guidance on what you should be doing if you've just completed your CA examination. So please stay tuned till the end. I'm Megha Vansali, Indian Qualified Chartered Accountant and ACCA. So, if you have completed your CA Foundation or CA Intermediary examination and waiting for your results, you can just start brushing up some concept. I know you have just completed your paper, and this is not a very optimistic advice that I'm giving you. But guys, we know the pass percentage of CA is very low. It is only between 10 to 15% if I talk about CA final. So, why not start prepping up ourselves? And let's pray that the result is positive. But this concept clarity will definitely help you when you're applying for a job interview, or when you are actually using this practically in your life. So if you feel that there is a 15-20% chance of doubt, then I would suggest please start revising. At least spend 1 or 2 hours a day, because this will reduce your burden later if things don't go well. Next, very, very important, please start networking. I have repetitively mentioned this a lot of times. I know networking is very, very important. Now, if you are a CA inter student, please start talking to your friends who are doing articleship, understand what is the kind of work they're doing, what is the CA firm's clientele, is this the field of work that you really want to do. So please start talking to people, talk to a lot of your friends, talk to some seniors who are actually working, so you will get a good idea of what to do, what not to do in your articleship. If you are a CA final student, I'm assuming you have some clarity that which field you want to get into, because you would have learned during your articleship. So if you want to do auditing, accounting, taxation, then you start looking for job openings right now, because trust me, it takes 2 to 3 months to find the right kind of job. And after you have cleared your CA final, you might lose patience. So why not utilize this 1 month right now? Start networking. Personal contacts are very important. Network on LinkedIn, reach out to people. There are very helpful people out there on LinkedIn. You can also reach out to a lot of mentors on YouTube, as to which industry is good, or you can try and find out that if this is my area of field, how will the work profile look like. So a lot of social media platforms where you can find the right kind of people, and yes, people do help, people will guide you, and you can get a lot of clarity on how to go about it. So please do not waste your time. Start networking, start understanding the kind of company you want to join into, how the interview process will look like, how my CV should look like. Please finish all your background work right now. It is very, very important. And if you're a CA intermediate student, please complete your mandatory trainings, so that you can immediately start your articleship after results, and you don't have to waste time on all of this. And lastly, you need to learn some good soft skills. One of the most important and underrated soft skills is public speaking. So if I talk about my personal experience, I developed my public speaking skills by joining a lot of competitions at my college. So I did my pre-university from Christ University, and we had a lot of competitions in the college. I've attended all of those competitions, I've participated, and that's how I've improved my public speaking. If those kind of options are not available for you, simply you can just start recording a YouTube video. You just don't upload it, but just by speaking, you will definitely improve your public speaking skills. Because when you go for an interview, your confidence, public speaking skill is what that matters the most. So you have good 1 month to work upon it. Please work upon that. I've just given you some tips which you can just start from your room. So you can just do all of this from home. You don't require any kind of investment or spending money, but please work on your public speaking skills. Second, some basic soft skills that are required is Excel, Microsoft Word. You need to know these basics. Then if all of this is already available with you, then the skills you can look at is, if you're looking at a consultancy kind of a profile, you could do a financial modeling, you could do a data analytic course. So you could do courses according to your profile that you want to apply for. So these are things that you should really be focusing upon. And yes, definitely a good health is what you should focus upon. I know while you were studying, you did not get time to do any kind of physical activity. So please focus on that. Hit the gym if you like it, play some sport, do some physical activity, keep yourself fit. And good health is really good wealth. So please take care of yourself. I hope you found these tips useful. In case you require any kind of guidance on how to network, how to reach out to people, what kind of courses you should be pursuing, you can definitely reach out to me. Details have been provided. And yes, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share it with more of your CA friends, and do comment below if you require content on any particular topic. I'll be back with more such content. Till then, take care. See you.